This is Lacy Robertson, the hardest working woman in mortgage and real estate nationwide, and I'm here to bring you this week's report of California companies that will be laying off a significant amount of workforce where we received and processed their notice between September 18, 2025 and September 24th, 2025. Before I get started, you're probably wondering why, if you're new to me, why do I share this information week after week after week? Well, I'm glad you asked because guess what? A sister girl has the answer. So, as many years ago, I was getting ready to buy a piece of property. Not getting ready, I was in the process, okay, of buying a piece of property. I had signed my loan documents. I go back to work hours later and I find out that myself and 399 other employees, my coworkers, we were getting laid off. That day was no warning, no nothing. You can only imagine what was going on in my mind. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm buying a house. I don't have a job. How am I going to make this mortgage payment? So I immediately got on the phone, called my mortgage broker, called my real estate broker at the time and said, look, you can't fund this loan. I don't have a job. And thankfully, I was able to unravel the transaction. But guess what? I lost money in the process. I didn't get my deposit back. It wasn't my fault that I got laid off. It wasn't the seller's fault that I got laid off. By that time, when you sign loan documents and your loan is going to be funding hours later, you most likely have removed all your contingencies. And so I share this information for two reasons. One, what would you do differently in life if there was a possibility that you might get laid off? Now, we don't go through life in fear, right? But we do. Knowledge is power. And when you have the correct information, you are able to move differently. So, what would you do different? Would you not go on that shopping spree? Would you not go on that lavish vacation? Would you not buy that new house or new car? Would you dust off your resume and put some fillers out there? Would you start that on your own business? You've always wanted to do that, and this was a perfect opportunity. So one of the reasons why I share the information is so you're not caught off guard like I was, and get you to thinking, what would you do differently if there was a possibility that you might get laid off? And the second reason is I want you to know you don't have to lose your house just because you lost your job or you're facing a financial hardship. I've literally been helping clients for years lower their mortgage payment, make it more affordable so they don't have to exhaust all their savings trying to make their mortgage payment each month. So before I get into this list, let me share with you what I was able to do with one of my clients. I've been in this industry for 19 years. I have been helping clients, whether it's buy property, sell property, finance property, refinance property. But when life deals them lemons, I help them make lemonade. When they've had a loss of income, I help them avoid foreclosure by any means necessary. Okay, I'm your girl. So this was a client that I had. Their previous mortgage payment was $2,208.77. What's really important about this, not only, and I'm going to highlight it here, not only did they have a over $2,200 mortgage payment, but it was interest only. And they had an adjustable rate mortgage at 3.424%. Okay. I came in, got their modified payment down to a little over $1,900, so $1,906.36 to be exact. That included, I'm gonna highlight it here, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. I got them a fixed rate of 4.25. So before you panic, it is a little higher, but guess what? The fixed rate is not, the interest rate is not only fixed, but I got the bank to forbear 163,000, excuse me, $163,558.25. What does that mean? The bank set aside over $160,000 and said, look, you don't have to make any payments on this money. No interest is going to be accruing on this money. And so that's how I was able to get their mortgage payment down and save them over $500 a month. Does that sound good to you? Well, guess what? It sounded great to that client. They were super happy that I was able to help them avoid foreclosure, help them stay in their home. And so I wouldn't do that for you. If you're experiencing a loss of income, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My number is 714-914-7254. So let me get into this list. This list is really short. We have a total of 5 entries. That's not 5 different companies. We have a 5 entries, meaning these companies may be laying off different locations, different dates, but it's 5 entries. And to be exact, it's only 3 companies. Okay. So, December for, well, let me give you this list. I always tell you, I give you the list in alphabetical order. And, if I pass the letter that your company starts with, you're going to want to go look at some other videos. I may have covered your company in previous videos. So on November 24th, Dryers Grand Ice Cream, they're laying off temporarily. Okay. So this is not permanent. They tend to do this every year. So this is not uncommon for Dryers Grand Ice Cream to lay off temporarily. On November 24th, 188 people at, let me give you that location, 970 East Continental in Tulare. Then you have on November 23rd, Dryers Grand Ice Cream is laying off temporarily. They're closing temporarily 214 people at 7301 District Boulevard in Bakersfield. You have November 24th, Dryers Grand Ice Creams is closing temporarily, laying off 110 people at 970 East Continental Avenue in Tulare. December 1st, we have Mortech Manufacturing Company closing permanently, laying off 46 people at 411 Aerojet Avenue in Azusa. And last but not least, November 21st, the day before my birthday, Valeria LLC is closing permanently, laying off 25 people at 1050 Aviator Drive in Vacaville, California. So that is the end of this week's list of California companies that will be laying off a significant amount of workforce, where we received and processed their notice between September 18, 2025 and September 24th, 2025. I'm now trying to say the year because I did have a comment under a video, and they were like, is this year or last year? And I had to go back and say, hey, I posted this video last year, so it was for 2024. So I try to say the year, but keep in mind, if you're listening to the video and you're not sure if it's that last year or this year, look at when the video was posted. That will give you a great indication of when the layoff is taking place. Okay. So I'm Lacy Robertson, the hardest working woman in mortgage and real estate nationwide. I look forward to working with you and for you. And until then, I want you to have a blessed day. Bye-bye.